Hey everyone, check out the ZUKKA SL-U6000-10R, a 10-speed right bike shifter designed for smooth and easy gear changes. This shifter features a refined lever shape and light operation, making it comfortable to use on mountain, folding, and commuter bikes. It includes a shift lever inner cable and supports 2x10, 3x10, and 10-speed setups, ensuring wide compatibility. The two-way release and optical gear display help you see your gear position clearly for better control. With RAPIDFIRE Plus Mono technology, shifting is quick and precise every time. Plus, Optislik Tech Cables offer excellent corrosion resistance and smooth cable routing for long-lasting performance. Upgrade your ride with this reliable and efficient bike shifter today. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.